No.
Just go.
Where'd it go?
Just go.
I don't have anything.
You're going.
My name?
Well, my name's Josh. That's Alicia.
Katie.
And we're in Mr. Rasmussen's chemistry 6th period.
And 4th grade.
And what'd you learn, Alicia? This is all about you. These other guys have done it. Did you learn about technology?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so what is it? Oh, yes, using pure science to better humankind.
Yep.
That's technology, right?
Right.
Like in microwaves. You know, we cook with them now. They were just for science development initially. Okay, and then what's next?
And then chapter 2, you learned about mass.
So what can you say about mass, you guys?
It's weight.
Not quite weight.
Mass can be measured in different units, SI units.
Like what? Like grams?
Liters, grams, liters.
No, mass can't be that way. That's
Okay.
volume.
Oh, yeah.
But mass is in grams or kilograms. Okay, go ahead on. What do you know? What else do you know?
I know there's 1,000 grams in a kilo. I know that.
There you go. What's the third chapter, though? What's the third thing you know?
There's nothing there.
Say Avogadro's number.
Oh yeah.
Avogadro's.
What is Avogadro's number?
6.02 times 10 to the 23rd.
23rd.
You're such a fucking book.
She is. But don't cuss on that.
I know. I'm sorry, dude.
Okay. All right. So what? What's next?
Dalton's atomic theory.
Dalton's. Oh, tell me about that. Everything's made of atoms, very tiny particles, right? What? He wasn't the first to come up with this, though, was he? It was an ancient Greek philosopher named.
No, dude. He was like, wait, an Italian guy? Or
No, Democritus. She was right. Democritus. Okay, between the three, we're getting this right. Come on, what's next?
Energy levels.
Energy levels. What are those? Is your nucleus in different energy levels?
No,
No.
it's the electrons.
The electrons are in different energy levels. Right?
Right.
And the furthest out energy level is called the, starts with a V.
Valence electrons.
Oh, see, you do know something. Okay. And then what?
Attention middle schoolers, if you are here for the
And
dance,
then for
you need
chapter
to
6,
either
we learned
wait
the periodic
outside
table.
or in the community room.
In chapter 6, you
If
learned
are
what?
welcome, you may
The
stay there and
periodic
continue
table.
working.
Periodic table song. Just give me your part, just a little bit of.
Or in the community room. Thank you.
Say, this is the
Periodic
table.
noble gases,
Stable.
halogens, and
Well, I
alkalis.
react aggressively.
Each period, you'll
He
see
knew
new outer shells with the
Electrons
are added
moving to the.
Right.
Okay. All right.
And then in chapter 7, we learned valence electrons.
You learned about those valence electrons, and they drive all chemical reactions. And what's next?
Single covalent bonds.
Single covalent bonds. And we can have double or even triple covalent bonds. But single, what are they doing? Are they giving and taking electrons or sharing them?
They're taking
Sharing.
They're sharing, like in cooperating, covalent bonding. So we call it covalent bonding is sharing. And it only happens between non-metal and a non-metal. Go ahead.
And in chapter 9, are the polyatomic ions.
And about how many of them are there that we had to memorize?
25.
Yes, excellent. And if they end in "ite" or "ate," that means they got
ions. Two oxygen.
oxygen. Oxygen, yes, they got oxygen in them. Okay, go ahead.
Chapter 10, learned about moles.
Oh, and what is a mole?
The mole.
How many particles are in the mole?
6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power.
Yes, and if it's a gas, how many liters is it?
22.7.
4. 22.4. Okay, and if you wanted to get the molecular mass of a substance, what would you have to add up?
The molar mass of the element?
Yes, exactly. All the atomic mass added up, converted to grams, and you got a mole of that substance. And what's last?
Chemical equations.
Okay, tell me the 5 chemical equations without help. See if you can get this.
Oh no, I can't.
All right, everybody help her. Give her the first one.
Good.
Combustion.
All right, that'll work.
Single displacement.
All right.
Double displacement.
Replacement is the way they call it, but I've called it displacement before.
Together.
Combination, yes, and when we come apart, we call it
Dispersion. Decomposition.
decomposition. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's hear it for her. Yay!